Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your bubble overnight. First, clearly define the specific breakthrough you aim to achieve. This clarity is crucial for directing your efforts effectively. Next, gather all essential resources, tools, and information you might need. Finally, set up a dedicated, quiet workspace where you can focus without interruptions for an extended period. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for your intensive work ahead. Now, let's dive into strategic execution. Begin by breaking your overarching goal into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes the process less daunting and easier to track. Prioritize these tasks, focusing on those with the highest impact or critical dependencies first. Then, allocate specific, uninterrupted time blocks for each task, perhaps 2 to 3 hours per block, ensuring you maintain momentum throughout your overnight push. To sustain your intensive effort, maintaining focus and energy is key. Take short, 5 to 10 minute breaks every 90 minutes to refresh your mind and body, preventing burnout. Ensure you stay well hydrated and have healthy snacks, like fruits or nuts, within easy reach. Most importantly, eliminate all non-essential distractions. Turn off notifications and inform others of your dedicated work period to maximize concentration. After your focused overnight effort, it's time to review your progress. Assess what you've accomplished against your initial goals, noting any significant breakthroughs. Document all key learnings, insights gained, and any remaining action items for future work. Finally, plan your immediate next steps to build upon this intensive session, ensuring your momentum continues towards fully achieving your objective. This structured approach maximizes your overnight success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.